What's up, guys? It's the Undisciplined Trader here today, and today is Monday, the 4th of October, and as you can see, today has been a joke. So, something happened to me personally yesterday, and basically, mine has been a bit all over the place. When I woke up this morning, I felt fine actually, but perhaps it did affect my trading today. I'm not sure how to say, but yeah. I done one trade that was very bad. Um, I was frustrated, and I just traded off my phone when I wasn't even the screen, and took a trade that basically wasn't even in my plan. So I really shouldn't have done that. Really should not have done that at all. But you know, that's why I made this channel to show you guys what it's like to actually be a trader, especially one that's not a professional trader yet, but you guys can see all the failures, all the mistakes, all the goods, the bad, the ugly. Now I show you guys everything. So as you guys know, at the start of the day today, um, I was up 1.3%. So let me talk to you guys for the trades, but that's basically my mindset. You know, if I knew it would have affected me this much, I wouldn't have traded. But I actually felt really good. When I woke up, I did my morning routine and everything. I felt good, you know. I thought, you know what? Then obviously losing these trades obviously doesn't help the situation. So essentially, yeah, let me talk to you guys through this. So price mitigate this order block here. We had a little flip here, which would have been risky for me to take. Had an order block here for entry, so another flip here. As I came here, my stop loss was covering both, and yeah, I decided to not go risk free because there was still this order block here, but once price got to here, it took me out. So then I was like, okay, let me enter again. And I entered again, price got to here, I halved my risk, taken out. Then here we had another flip with good motive too. So I entered again and I lost an R. What I should have done was, I believe for this one I should have gone risk free once price got to here and didn't make a new low. Yeah, but 15-minute we were on bearish trend, 4 hour we're on a bearish trend. Probably why I was this aggressive, but I think I should have just managed my trades better. Should have probably had a bigger stop loss of 2 pips here, or waited for price to come a little bit higher, then entered, and then I would have avoided this loss and this loss, I believe. So I had something like this, would have been fine. I would have avoided 1, 2, 3 losses basically. But yeah, unfortunately I took the wrong one. Or what I should have done was go to 2 pip here. No, because there's an order block here that needed covered. You can see price. Anyway, so we lost those 3. Here this one was super unlucky. Like, look at where my stop loss is and look where price was, and we got tagged out. Honestly, ridiculous. But you know, I would have put this risk free 100% if this didn't break here. So again, this loss could have been avoided, but honestly, this is really ridiculous because I don't know. This is like 3 pip. I don't know. But yeah, so got unlucky with the spreads today. A couple of occasions, but okay. So lost that, and then I was walking my dog, and I was like, man, I'm really annoyed. You know, I got just about got tagged out here. I was really sure that price, not sure, but you know, if I wasn't this trade, I would have been confident that price would go down here. But so I just kind of made an entry in this order block here, which stupid, man, honestly. And especially I risked 1% on it as well, so it just sums everything up for you guys. So yeah, that's what my day has been like. It's been terrible. I can't lie to you guys. I've been feeling like shit, personal reasons, and this just made it a lot worse. But I'm gonna try my best to get my mind right tonight and try to be as well as possible so that tomorrow I can see if I can catch these moves. But that's 2 days in a row that I've only lost trades, and that hasn't happened in a while. Actually, I have to say. I think I wouldn't have lost this many if I managed them trades well. So I made a couple of little changes to my plan to avoid me from, you know, not lose it. So to avoid me, just so I can manage risk better, essentially. Yeah, that's basically it. Just so I can manage risk better and avoid taking such big hits. Because this one, like I said, these three could have been prevented, and I could have just lost one, and maybe I would have put it break even once price got to here. We don't know, but no, they could have been avoided. This one was really unlucky. This one was fucking stupid. Honestly, this was such a stupid trade. So yeah, guys, that's about it for today. Sorry, I sound like I'm dead. It's been one thing after another in my life, I have to say. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, my life is decent. I have a good family, and but a lot of shit has been happening, and it just sucks that things like that actually affect your trading. You know, as much as I think it doesn't, and you know, my mentors always say if you have a shit sleep or if you know, dog died or whatever, you know, that you shouldn't trade. And every fucking time I decide to trade, seriously, like I need to stop that. You know, because simply because I should. As you can see, the results speak for themselves, and I shouldn't have traded, guys. So when things are going on in your life and that really affect you, you should not trade. You know, as much as I thought it didn't affect you, didn't affect me. Well, clearly it did. Because this was out of frustration. And obviously not managing my trades as well as I usually do is also another factor. But you know, in the verification we have 60 days. Today I believe is the 5th trading day. I'm currently minus. Oops. I'm currently minus 2.5%. So essentially, if I win a trade, I'm back in profit. But yeah, this was a really bad day for me. But I'm gonna try my best to pick myself up. Essentially, did I follow my plan? Here, yes. Here, yes. Here, yes. Just a case of didn't manage it well, basically. Here we got unlucky and here no. So didn't follow my plan here. Here we got didn't execute it well. Yeah, that's about it really. So yeah. Alright guys, I'll talk to you another day tomorrow, I hope. And hopefully I'm gonna be feeling so much better. I'm gonna do my best to sensible as sensible and as ready as possible for tomorrow. And yeah, because we don't really want to make the same mistake as last time that, you know, didn't follow the plan and then, you know, we lost the verification, you know. But so this is going to be a true test of my psychology. I told you guys that my psychology has improved a lot, and yeah, this is going to be a real test. And you know, if this wouldn't happen, the verification would have happened when I had the account. So you know, these things do happen. Just have to minimize them as much as possible and keep my head, because tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow there'll be opportunities, and yeah, I'll try my best to catch them. Bye guys, take care. I'll see you all tomorrow.